APHLC holds torchlight rally in Havarkihat. Reception committee formed for the Karbi Youth Festival 2021. KSA rescues missing child from Hamran.
Nili Hare Dirchunarong P, Karbi Anglong Life, Polonia correspondent Ben, Karbi Anglong Life Kelang Arar Tum Anaphan Nilihin Pen, Ninkan Kimi Suri Suri Kardom Nanglitum do Anaphan Sme Pajero, Kardom.
Karbi Anglong Arar Kito Anaphan, Ninkan Kimi Suri Suri Kardom Pajero, Nilimen Ge Harsing Rongpi, Karbi Anglong Life Ferranke, Abargatwen, Kardom.
Good morning, viewers of Karbi Anglong Life. I'm Julie Hansapi, bringing you news for this morning. And now, the news in detail. Reasserting their demands for full implementation of 6 scheduled provisions and formation of autonomous state, the APHLC had on Tuesday evening held a torchlight rally at Havarkihat. Here is a short report on the event. The torchlight rally was held under the initiative of APHLC Havarkihat MSC Committee and Youth Wing. APHLC President John Singh Tikathar, Spokesperson Angtong Tikathar, Organizing Secretary Kursing Timong, Havarkihat Legislative Assembly President Suran Kramsa, Secretary Sarkir Rongpar, and several other leaders were present during the rally. While speaking to reporters, APHLC President J.I. Kathar said that the 6th schedule was passed by the Constituent Assembly in 1949 but have not been fully implemented in the Hills district of Assam. He said that contrary to strengthening the powers of the 6th schedule, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had not been able to protect the already existing provisions in the council. Several powers of the council, including those in giving jobs, protecting land, and others have been curtailed by the state government due to the inability of the council leaders.
Government service dio kole pabo na lage তেওঁলোকক দিব না লাগে jiman dia hoise etu cancel koribo lage aru amar political rights jitu dibo lage constitution mote ei political rights amak gutei khini dibo lage nilitum kamatha nilitum all party leaders conference pen nilitum kamatha nilitum ka ke hang ke la hello ya 6th schedule implement payment angji hala 1949 November 26 G2 power asil hala so power ke doan November 1949 November 26 arni ajakong ke doan a 6th schedule ajakong ako nilitum phan piv to voy nangji lapen a close tinta implement et nangji pichun et nangji lapen ke hoyaso ke chiatom phan long le pata pinang ne kipitang anta cancel er nangji lapen government sakuri halatum apan pinang ne puketok do la halatum phan kipitang anta cancel er nangji lapen non pen para ke akimi ke ako pitu the det nangji lapen ke constitution pen itum phan kipi ajak kong an itum phan et nangji lasi nilitum APHLC all party leaders conference
Harsing Rongpi report from Havarkihat for Karbi Anglong Live. As the year comes to end today, the Karbi Cultural Society has begun their preparation for the upcoming cultural extravaganza, Karbi Youth Festival, in the month of February 2021. As such, the reception has been formed on Wednesday at KPH Taralangso. During the program, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang was appointed as Chairman of Financial Subcommittee, EM Mongol Singh Timong appointed as President, while former EM Surja Rongpar was appointed as Working President. On the other hand, Ashok Teron, Nelson Teron, Robi Kumar Phangcho, J.R. Kathar were appointed as Vice Presidents. MSc Richard Tokbi was appointed the General Secretary, while KLNLF Chairman P. Dili, MSc Ramsingh Tokbi, Laichan Ingleng, Kungri Timongpi, Marina Bepi given the charge of Assistant Secretaries. MP Horen Singh Bey and Assam HAD Minister Sumronghang were included in the advisory board. Other dignitaries present in the program were KCS President Chandra Singh Kro, General Secretary Vidya Singh Rongpi, and leaders of several students and social organizations along with media persons. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang spoke before everyone that the Autonomous Council will allocate more funds to the KYF in the coming edition so that more works could be done.
চাৰিদিন কাৰ্যসূচী আছে আৰু সেই চাৰিদিন কাৰ্যসূচীৰ কাৰণে ৰিচিপশ্যন কমিটি আজি গঠন কৰা হৈছে আৰু সেই ৰিচিপশ্যন কমিটি ইয়াত দায়িত্ব দিয়া হৈছে সভাপতি সম্পাদক আৰু অফিচ দায়িত্ব দিয়া হৈছে প্ৰত্যেক বছৰ অলপ আগতকৈ অলপ বহুত পৰিৱৰ্তন দেখা পালোঁ আগত যিটো আমি ইয়াত চেলিব্ৰেশ্যন কৰিছোঁ এবাৰ কিন্তু আৰু আগন্তুক কাৰ্বি আংলং কাউন্সিলত পুঁজি পৰা এই বছৰৰ প্ৰত্যেক বছৰৰ কাৰ্বি ফেষ্টিভেলৰ নামত কাৰ্বি আংলং কাউন্সিলত পুঁজি পৰা এটা অন্তৰ্ভুক্ত ইয়াত
Roshan Hanse and Bikram Kaur report from Dipu for Karbi Anglong Live.
Nilimen Artisan Opera, Karbi Anglong Live correspondent to Lamarapen, Suri Hinira encourage your perman, Karbi Anglong Rad on upon Lincoln Kimi, a cardon pipajuro, cardon.
Cardon, Karbi Anglong Rad on upon Nilimen Bijoy Rongpi, Karbi Anglong Live Gelai correspondent, Lincoln Kimi a cardon, Lapen, I hear Jimmy Nilihin Pen Pajero, cardon.
Member of KSA Inglong Po Wing had actively involved in the rescue of a child who went missing from home. According to KSA Branch Secretary Babul Togbi, the child belonged to one Kramsa house in Borthol. The girl's father, Ruk Singh Kramsa, told that he had kept his daughter at Borbaha to send her to school. He said that he was unable to look after his daughter's education owing to his poverty and he had no other way but to keep her away from home. However, even before the lapse of a month's time, his daughter, due to unknown reasons, fled from the house in Borbaha where she had been dropped by her father. Knowing nowhere to go, the girl reached a place, Sambari, under Lanka. There she was intercepted by one Dimasa man named Monus Harikrapsa and was given shelter at night. The next morning, the KSA members who were already informed of the case got the news and brought her back home.
Karbilocher le song pen ladak atowe atumi pen chenglok nilitum karbiu supi nut alang li ahem ke pu borthol pu ta alang li phan ahem kidoke thak kadure joine alang li phan bor boha si kapadodun pu au supi phan karbio teng la pen achik li pota dolo nidum sidolo pasi kadowe alang juilo baji trokra achiti molom lo dak bordolong pen Sambari longkal aso da kada thiri do tawara kung hala thiri ang den si ladak bordolong along sorkari made gambura penaki bi akor telo la penpu alang litum dak tribal asong along punilitum dimasa akai alang lipu sonjib giri ake hai pen alang litum ladak ari sangho tum la pen tuwe ladak kapasang ahem tano nilitum daksi dolo lasi tuwe ladak si mipun meet pen pasang long si lasi todap si nilitum puno dak anwang si au supi panang humri lo penachik lipo puno ladak cewang lo.
Mohan Teran report from Kheroni for Karbi Anglong Live. Langsum AP Block defeated Rongkhang Block in the final and clinched first KAPTA Knockout Football Championship 2020 on Wednesday. The final match was held at the Hanjang Langso Sports Association playground in Hanjang Langso. During the final contest was held between Langsum AP and Rongkhang Block 2-1 in a thrilling contest in which all of the goals were scored in the first half of the match. Both teams failed to add another goal despite some opportunities were created in the second half. The closing function was graced by CASA Joint Secretary and ex-EM Jivan Chandra Pathak, SDPEO Khorsing Terang, BPEO Rita Intipi, KAPTA Vice President Willie Timungpi, Secretary Probin Hanse, and President Langtuipi Rongpipi attended as functional president. The champion trophy along with cash prize was given away by Jivan Chandra Pathak while Probin Hanse gave away runner trophy along with cash prize. Anand Terang's report from Bokajang for Karbi Anglong Live. Those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for being with us and goodbye for now.